Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So yesterday I talked about the time duration you have to wait to see what happens to this coin, and it was 28th of July. Today is 27, and finally we are looking at PEIPEI making its own move. Now, very quick, you have the rising wedge here, bearish pattern. You broke below. You're looking to come down 1701. Now, people are saying that yes, the pattern is still not coming down to the target because it doesn't really drop down in 1 hour or 5 minutes or maybe when you want it to drop down. And by the way, here's the reality: even if they were to drop it down, it doesn't go down like this in an arrow. It's going to go down, up, down, a little bit up, down like this, and then finally maybe reach the target. Some instances you may see a little bit of like this sideways movement and then go back to the downside. As long as you do not make it above 4158, I'm going to repeat this all the time, and break above, hold it, you are being threatened to drop down here. Okay, now secondly is that if we go into the 15 minutes time frame, we had an ascending triangle right over there. This ascending triangle made a fake out right over here. It made some fake retest on the smaller time frame and finally dropped inside, and you can see what happens next. What happens next is you break below the ascending triangle itself, and now you are ready to literally come back down again, which is going to be a target of 2815 and probably continue even lower. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.